Natural and easy school makeup. You have a crush that you want to impress, but you don't look like you have a full face of makeup on, but you want to look your best. Keep watching. Now, it's all about the base. You need to prep your skin in order to get that nice glowy base, which will make your face shine bright like a diamond. Also, let the skincare, if you have time in the morning, sit for a couple minutes to let it properly soak into your skin so you get the full effect of the skincare. I use this face base. It's very lightweight, but it's still hydrating, so you get the most out of it without having a thick base layer of moisturizer. Eye cream. This is one thing I've learned. If you want to prevent your concealer from creasing, you need to prep your under eyes. Now, we want to look like we have no foundation on, and the trick is to pick a very lightweight BB cream. So this is the L'Oreal BB Magic Cream, and it's magic. It's magic. I'll just show you. It matches your skin tone. You don't want everyone to think that we put loads of effort in. We want to have that nice natural glow, and everyone's like, are you even wearing makeup? Oh my god, you look so good. That's what I want. Now, this BB cream has done wonders. Very subtly hidden all of my like red patches and spots and all the impurities of the skin that you don't want out and about. Concealer. Let me tell you, less is more. And I know a lot of people say this, but I'm not joking when I say if you let your concealer sit for like a couple minutes before you blend in, it goes such a long way. Once you let that set, just take a brush and just gently tap in. Don't like swipe, dab. Just lots of little dabs. Eye bags, no more. That's the flawless base sorted. We now are going to go in with just a little bit of sculpt off the face, just to get that like less 2D shape and actually more definition. Wherever like you may think you need it, just anyway, you can play about with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're blending it out anyway. Blend that into the base, into the skin. As this is for school, I don't want to go over the top because we still want that natural glow, and also sometimes we're too tired to actually do a lot of makeup every day for school. I'm gonna go in with a lip liner, a very natural one, and just overline the lips. Just a tiny bit. Just give me a little bit more lip, and who doesn't want more lip? And after that, we're going to just go in with a little bit of gloss, just so your lips are looking very succulent, and if you do have that crush, they'll be looking at your juicy lips. You're welcome. And that, well, it's just brought the whole look together. That is like a simple, affordable, easy go-to school makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it.